parked this thing and walked away for an hour.
What? Let's go.
Hold on tight.
So sick. Yeah.
Dude, this is fucking tight.
He called me when I was down there.
This is a full-blown event. You got a permit?
You are the permit, Bob.
Where's the vendors at?
I know.
Chain popped off.
I know, I heard
he brings it back. It says all the chains popped off and just walk off. I go, okay, here, I'm gonna adjust the screw, test it out. Now he's down there. He don't even know who he's racing.
We need him so we can pull.
I know. I told him already.
I don't even know if I adjusted the screw right.
On that?
One's a matchup,
Two's a buy.
I hope I get the buy again.
You get a bite?
Huh?
You get a bite?
Yeah, on the first round, yeah.
No, I'm sorry, that wasn't us.
It's the last number.
That's the other bite. That's the other bite.
Yeah, it is what it is.
What you got? What's the numbers? One? Who got
Fuck,
no
our
one?
bike.
Got a one. So
Mine
you and
against
you?
yours, yeah.
All right, so it's probably gonna be you and Tony, which is cool.
Yeah. Hey, Alec, we'll probably start this thing up just here and I'll ride it down there. Because we're one, so we're probably gonna go first. How much did he get you by? A tire?
No, I got the video. It was a pretty good one.
Everybody racing the race car.
You guys
Yeah.
got a race, so
I know.
fire this thing up, and then we're gonna try to get this thing started.
Hey, soon.
Break light ahead.
We're on the road.
Let's go. Sorry, yeah.
Got to the finals. They want you to go right down there. I was like, wait, let
I
him
need
fill
to
up.
get gas. Hey, the gas can! Clear right there.
That's gas.
No, this is methanol. I put it in this.
Oh.
It's easier to put it in here. Grab a light.
Whatever. Nobody knows that's methanol.
All right, we're on some side bend. Big bike. Where's this? What color is that, red?
Hey, you're blowing oil.
Big bike. Where's this red?
Fuck, from where?
Fucking all right here.
God damn
Here, I
it.
got rags. Hold on.
On red all day. Hey, it's just coming out of the catch cam.
Yeah, I hope so.
That's all it looks like.
Just from your
Catch can.
Good shit, Devin. Hell yeah, bro.
That thing's fucking finer than frog hair.
Winner, winner,
Go.
chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Oh yeah, fool.
All right.
It's moving with your big mouth.
I told you,
Hell
bro.
yeah.
She's taking names tonight, bro.
We're gonna have to take it to post tech.
It's all good.
Come here.
Oh shit.
It's your trophy.
Oh.
You got heavy little bite to rip.
It's heavy with your foot. It has an airbag. Show what's up. What's up? Bam.
Yeah, boy.
Number one, baby. Number one. Hell yeah.
ready.
It was this close.
Hey, no matter if it's an inch or a mile. Race is a race. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
You're right.